So, you've got a Monzo account. Cool. It's a slick little thing, isn't it? But now you're probably wondering, how do I actually get money into this thing? I mean, it's all well and good having a fancy new digital wallet, but it's not much use if it's empty, right? Let's dive in and sort this out. First things first, let's talk about the basics. Monzo is a digital bank, which means it doesn't have physical branches. No queues, no paperwork, just you and your phone. That's the beauty of it. But it also means you can't waltz in and deposit cash like you would at a traditional bank. So, how do you get your money in? Well, there are a few ways. Let's break them down. Option 1, transfer from another bank account. This is probably the most common way to fund your Monzo. If you've got an account with a traditional bank, like Barclays, HSBC, or whoever, you can easily transfer money over to your Monzo. It's usually a quick and painless process. Most banks let you set up standing orders or one-off transfers. You'll need your Monzo account details, which you can find in the app. Option 2, payday loans. Now, before you roll your eyes, hear me out. I'm not suggesting you rely on payday loans to fund your Monzo. But if you're in a tight spot and need some quick cash, it's an option. However, payday loans come with sky-high interest rates, so they should really be a last resort. If you're considering this route, make sure you understand the terms and conditions completely. Option 3, cash deposits. Okay, so we said Monzo doesn't have physical branches, but there's a workaround. You can use services like PayPoint to deposit cash into your Monzo account. PayPoint is a network of shops, like corner stores and post offices, where you can pay bills and top up prepaid cards. You can also use it to add money to your Monzo. There's usually a small fee involved, so it's not the cheapest option, but it can be handy in a pinch. Option 4, earn money. This one might sound obvious, but it's worth mentioning. If you're struggling to fund your Monzo, why not find ways to earn extra money? There are loads of options out there, from freelancing and online surveys to selling unwanted items. Getting a part-time job is another classic. Every little helps, right? Now, once you've got money in your Monzo, what can you do with it? Well, that's a whole other video, but we can touch on a few things. Monzo is great for budgeting. You can create pots to save for specific goals, like a holiday or a new laptop. You can also use it to track your spending and see where your money is going. And let's not forget about the perks. Depending on your Monzo plan, you might get cash back on shopping, travel insurance, or even fee-free withdrawals abroad. So there you have it. A few ways to get money into your Monzo account. Remember, it's important to budget wisely and avoid relying on quick fixes like payday loans. And if you're struggling financially, there are plenty of resources out there to help. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.